Hello everyone, welcome to Aesthetics and Winding. This is a brief review of the Infinity Glide 120 Bluetooth earphones. Let's get started. It comes in a small package, and inside the package you will find the headphone, a documentation and some ear tips along with the charging cable. The overall build quality of the headphones is really good, and it is extremely flexible and lightweight. When compared to my OnePlus Wireless Z earphones, which is a bit stiff, the earphones are made out of metal and it can be clipped together when you're not using to secure it around your neck. You can use these earphones to take or reject calls. The call quality was really good. Along with that, you can use it to activate your Google Assistant as well. For wireless connectivity, it uses Bluetooth 5.0, which is really good. The overall audio output is, personally I feel like the audio output is slightly forward towards the bass even if the equalizer is turned off. Apart from that, the unique selling point of these earphones is the dual equalizer function. It is a built-in function which enhances the overall bass output of the audio being played through the earphones without using an equalizer. So all you need to do is just press the volume up and down button of the earphones and the function will be activated with a notification. Do the same to turn off the function. So you don't need an extra application for using this function. Extremely useful when your phone doesn't support equalizer over Bluetooth, or your system equalizer is not supported by applications like YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, etc. Now, a couple of things that I didn't like about the earphones is the charging port and the battery life. It uses a micro USB port for charging, which is quite a disappointment at 2020. Then about the battery life, the company claims the headphone will give 7 hours of playback, which is okay. I mean, they could have added a bigger battery to extend the playback up to 10 hours, which would have been much more decent. So these are my thoughts about these earphones. For a price range of 1000 rupees, I think these earphones are really good. I'll leave the links for the earphones below. You can check the price out. Thanks for watching, stay safe and have a good one.